In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a scenario off in Make, step by step. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll need to log into Make. Open up the Make platform using your usual login credentials, and ensure you're in the workspace where the scenario you want to manage is located. This is your home base, and it's important to confirm you're in the right workspace before making any changes, especially if you work across multiple environments. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Scenarios. This will bring up a list of all the automation workflows you have created. Take a moment to scan through the list and locate the specific scenario that is currently active and running. You want the one that's doing its thing automatically. Click on the name of that scenario to open it up. This opens the detailed editor view where you can see all your modules, connections, and the schedule settings. Before you make any changes, take a second to review the current status of the scenario. Look at the top right area of the editor and verify that the scenario is currently set to on. There's usually a clear indicator, often a colored toggle switch or a green banner confirming it's actively running on a schedule. Now, find the scheduling toggle. This switch controls whether the scenario executes automatically according to its timer. In the scheduling section, you'll see a toggle that you can click to change the scenario's behavior. Go ahead and toggle that switch from on to off. This is the key action that stops the automatic runs. The switch should click over, and the interface will visually confirm the change. Depending on your version or settings, some platforms require you to save this change explicitly. If a Save button appears, click it to ensure your change is locked in. This is a simple but critical step. You don't want the scenario to revert on its next scheduled check. Finally, let's verify the status. Navigate back to the main Scenarios page by clicking Scenarios in the left menu again. Look at the scenario you just changed. It should now display as off or inactive with a gray or red status indicator instead of the green one. You've successfully completed the task. The scenario will no longer run automatically until you return and turn the scheduling toggle back on. This gives you full control over when your automations execute. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.